Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. We found out some secret, and we are sharing them in this comprehensive recipe video. Watch and follow step by step. In a frying pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. Simply fry the egg. Keep aside for cool down. Two onions, just finely chopped. Squeeze to remove excess water. Beef mince 2 kg. Add onion. 2 tomatoes chopped and discard the seeds. Add 2 green chili. Fresh coriander. 2 tablespoons dry pomegranate. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon chili powder. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon cumin powder. Mix very well. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add egg. Add maize flour. Add fried egg. Mix well. Refrigerated for 2 hours. Preheat the pan, add 3 tablespoons oil. Fry on medium flame. Try this recipe, quickly make them and enjoy on this Eid festival. Everyone will keep asking for more. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share your feedback with us.